Electronic warfare refers to the use of the electromagnetic spectrum to control or exploit it for military purposes. Russia has a long history of investing in and developing electronic warfare capabilities. The country places significant emphasis on electronic warfare as a means of gaining a strategic advantage in modern conflicts. While specific details about the extent of Russia's electronic warfare capabilities are often classified, there are indications and publicly acknowledged systems that provide some insight into their approach. Key aspects of Russia's electronic warfare. 1. Soviet legacy. Russia inherited a substantial electronic warfare infrastructure and expertise from the Soviet Union. Soviet forces were known for their advanced capabilities during the Cold War. 2. Modernization efforts. Russia has been actively modernizing its electronic warfare systems in response to evolving threats. This includes upgrading existing systems and developing new technologies. 3. Integrated approach. Russia employs an integrated approach to electronic warfare, combining electronic countermeasures, electronic protection, and electronic support measures to disrupt and neutralize enemy electronic systems. 4. Advanced jamming systems. Russia has developed and deployed sophisticated jamming systems capable of disrupting a wide range of communication systems, radar, and electronic sensors. 5. Krasukha and Murmansk-BN systems. The Krasukha and Murmansk-BN are examples of Russian electronic warfare systems. Krasukha is known for its capability to jam radar and airborne systems, while Murmansk-BN is designed for naval applications. 6. Mobile units. Russia has invested in mobile electronic warfare units that can be rapidly deployed to disrupt adversary communications, radar, and other electronic systems. 7. Aviation systems. Russian military aircraft, including fighters and bombers, are equipped with advanced electronic warfare suites to enhance survivability in contested environments. 8. Cyber-electronic warfare integration. Russia is known for integrating electronic warfare with cyber capabilities, creating a hybrid approach to disrupt and degrade enemy systems both in the physical and cyber domains. 9. Strategic importance. Russia considers electronic warfare a critical component of its military doctrine, especially in anti-access /area denial, (2/AD) scenarios where the disruption of adversary communication and navigation systems is essential. 10. Counter-satellite capabilities. There are indications that Russia is developing electronic warfare capabilities targeting satellites, potentially disrupting communication and navigation systems in space. Challenges and concerns. To national tensions. Russia's development and deployment of advanced electronic warfare capabilities contribute to concerns about the potential for escalation in conflicts and the impact on regional stability. Dual-use nature. Some electronic warfare technologies can have dual-use applications, raising concerns about the potential for these capabilities to be used for non-military purposes or against civilian infrastructure. Lack of transparency. Specific details about the full extent of Russia's electronic warfare capabilities are often classified, making it challenging to assess the true scope and capabilities of their systems. Understanding Russia's electronic warfare capabilities is an ongoing challenge due to the classified nature of many of these programs. As technology continues to advance, electronic warfare is likely to remain a focal point for Russian military modernization efforts. In detail, electronic warfare involves the manipulation of electromagnetic energy to disrupt, deceive, or destroy enemy electronic systems, including communication, radar, and other electronic sensors. Electronic warfare is a critical component of modern military operations and can be categorized into three main areas: electronic attack, electronic protection, and electronic warfare support. 1. Electronic attack, jamming, deliberate radiation, re-radiation, or reflection of electromagnetic energy with the intent of impairing the operation of electronic devices, systems, or communication links. Directed energy weapons, the use of lasers or high-powered microwaves to disable or damage electronic components and systems. Cyber warfare, the use of computer-based techniques to disrupt or disable information systems, networks, and infrastructure. 2. Electronic protection, electronic countermeasures, techniques and measures taken to protect friendly electronic systems from the effects of enemy electronic attack. Encryption and cryptography, securing communications and data by encoding them to prevent unauthorized access or tampering. Signal intelligence, collecting and analyzing signals to gain information about the enemy's electronic capabilities and intentions. 3. Electronic warfare support, electronic support measures, the collection, analysis, and reporting of electromagnetic signals to provide situational awareness and intelligence. Radar warning receiver, a system that detects and notifies the presence of radar signals, helping aircrews take evasive actions. Electronic intelligence, the gathering of information from electronic signals, such as radar or communication transmissions, to understand enemy capabilities. Key concepts and considerations. A. Spectrum management. Effective electronic warfare requires efficient management of the electromagnetic spectrum to ensure that friendly systems can operate without interference. B. Integration with other domains. Electronic warfare is often integrated with traditional warfare domains, land, sea, air, and space, to create a comprehensive and synergistic approach to military operations. C. Stealth technology. Electronic warfare is closely linked to the development of stealth technology, which aims to reduce the radar cross-section and overall detectability of military platforms. D. Legal and ethical considerations. The use of electronic warfare capabilities is subject to international laws and ethical considerations, especially regarding civilian infrastructure and communication. E. Technological advancements. Rapid advancements in technology, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and quantum computing, have implications for the future of electronic warfare. Applications of electronic warfare. 1. Airborne electronic warfare systems, jamming pods on aircraft to disrupt enemy radar and communication. 2. Naval electronic warfare systems, shipborne systems to protect against missile threats and disrupt enemy communication. 3. Ground-based electronic warfare systems, deployable systems to provide protection for ground forces and disrupt enemy communication and radar. 4. Cyber operations, the use of electronic warfare techniques in cyberspace to achieve military objectives. Electronic warfare plays a crucial role in gaining a strategic advantage on the modern battlefield, and its continued development is driven by advancements in technology and changes in the nature of conflict.